Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you my POV while riding a bike. I'm very good at riding a bike. By the way, I've only just used this I've only started using this after like a year. So I've already had a go and I'm like quite good at it. So I'll show you my POV. Okay, let's get going. Hold on, I'm just getting this to the perfect point where I can start riding. Okay. It's going. Oh no, that did not go wrong. I mean, that did go wrong. I'll show you again. Hold on, I'll show you again. I'm back. So, yeah, that basically went very wrong. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get driving in a minute. Okay, let's go. Oh, I've got to show you the POV. Let me just get back. I'm back up here for the third time. Okay, let's go. Go. Oh, this is going well. That went well. Yeah, that was basically nearly all of it for today. Yeah. I might show you one more time, only if it doesn't go wrong. Okay, see you in a sec. Hello guys, the next door neighbour's dog just came out. Her name's Nala. She just went in Naomi's house. Naomi is the name of the... There she is. Nala, say hi. Say hi. Nala. 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 Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, she's not saying that. I mean, what? How can she? She's literally a dog. I'm not trying to be rude, I'm just saying. Nala! Nala! Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna get this. Nala! 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 Yeah, she's just ignoring her phone. Yeah. I told Naomi I was making a YouTube video, but she asked me, do you want me to let Nora out or should I wait? I said let her out and I'll because the video's paused, and then I asked her that is she allowed to be in a YouTube video? I think she's peeing or pooping. Dog's going in now, so yeah, I'll just pause the video since I need to shout Naomi for something. It was because Nala had peed and that was the only reason she even came out. Yeah, I'm gonna just get back to showing you. I'll just pause the video until I've got. Yep. Okay. I'm about to get going. Yeah, it just went wrong again. I'll get back. Okay, so It's because the tyres are not very well pumped. It's because my pump is basically broken since I've had it for it's not really working. It's SHIT. Why did I just say that? This bike needs to stop going off track. I'm going to end this video at, well, it's like 7 minutes long. Well, basically when I've finished this, which I don't know. It was going right, but all of a sudden it just went wrong when I flipped it. Is there somewhere for me to put my phone? I mean, Mummy's phone, which I'm recording this on. Oh well, I mean, it's going quite right now. Quite and right. Quite right. Okay, let's go. Why does it keep going wrong? Just stop going wrong. I wasn't going to say CRAP. Oh, there we go. It went right. That was it for today. Bye.